for a daydream. What a day for a daydreaming boy. And I'm lost in a daydream, dreaming about my bundle of joy. And even if time ain't really on my side, it's one of those days we're taking a walk outside. It's one of those days we're taking a walk in the sun. Fall on my face on somebody's new mown lawn.
I've been having a sweet dream.
Oh yeah.
Been dreaming since I woke up today. Started me in my sweet dream. She's the one who makes me feel this way. And you can be sure that if you're feeling right, the daydream will last along into the night.
Tomorrow at breakfast you may cook up your ear. Oh, you may be dreaming for 1,000 years. What a day for a daydream. Last day for a daydream boy.
Don't go away. We'll be right back with Hullabaloo and Go-Go starring some guy in his Playboys.